Now, I saw a video okongwu dibia made on my behalf, and what really prompted me to post that video is Oshinam Chenona Mokom. Okongwu dibia, I never wanted to post that video, but that thing that I'm chena. No. I know mockery when I see one. I know mockery when I see one. I know we had our beefs. When I get to go, I have tackled you, you have tackled me, you know, so from such videos coming from you, I feel like it's not common, you know. So I appreciate my brother for looking out for me, for seeing things and the things. But things we don't understand in this life is like when you are in trouble, or when you have a little difficulty, or when things all these things in the fire here, you know, or when you have like all those anything in the fire means. So when you have little challenges in life, and when you're in times, you know, people you don't even expect that will come through for you are the people that will just come through for you. You know, you really, the video really touched me, for real. I didn't expect it from you. Yeah, every other person I was like, oh. But coming from you, my brother, I appreciate for looking out for me, for saying all those things and all that. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Everybody, everything will be fine. Don't worry, you know. And that made you an opportunity. I name in Nigeria, so you really did well. I appreciate. You know, I see a lot of people, you know, wishing me, Ogechi, you come stay here. Let me tell you, and I'm telling you with all honesty in me, every kobo that I have lost in this course, both my egom nemeki on every 2 weeks, I will recover them. It's a promise. Just believe me. Even now, I might recover in million folds. So thank you, my brother. I didn't want to go far. So thank you so much. I appreciate. The most important thing is that I will be alive to fight this battle to the core. I don't want to say much, but I guarantee that Ishinwa go out there to number. Thank you all for showing your concern. Thank you all for praying for me. Thank you all for, you know, knowing that Ogechi, that I'm 100% innocent. Thank you all for being there for me, and thank you for looking out for me. Okongwu dibia, much love, my brother. I appreciate. I less expected these things from you, but thank you so much. Now, I'm about to do my regular recipe, and one of the things that I do when I'm experiencing like a cough or anything. So this is what I normally do. This is honey, right? And this is ginger and garlic. So I'm gonna mix them together to chew, because all the kachomi were a little I don't know why. So I'm going to be mixing them together, and I will chew them raw. Some people do cook it. I do cook it sometimes and eat it. So no matter how I do my thing, but I'm going to chew raw because it's not the more effective raw like this. Like you eat that China, Ghana, hoodie, you know, the outcome right away. So some people I had my one before, but I just wanted to eat it because I have not eaten it since I came back to Nigeria. I'll just put this in everything that I do, like cook, you know, on a boost immune system, and the fact a lot of diseases and a lot of infection. These things. And then my hair honey name. Honey is one of the powerful dyes that we have. It's for the throat as well. So I'm a G here now dilute it because here and it walk on Ejim chilled malt. I'm gonna dilute it. Oh my God, every hand in a boom mother, that's one on a boom mother, they big feel the pain. Only my forget. To a get that China at all. I've been able to go on but all the very good on a boost immune system. On all manner of any foreign invented disease or whatever, or virus. It's in a tree. Like in the maybe you have sore throat, or you're feeling like you want to be, like you're feeling cough or anything. I'm not like a tire. Don't worry, more to him, guys. You can use anything like water or anything, but me put in fridge. You can't get room because sorry, well chilled.